KidsVision TV.
Hey everyone, today I am drawing a peacock. Blue color. I am drawing its face. Peacock is very beautiful bird. I love peacock. Peacock neck is very long. I am coloring its neck. I am coloring its tummy. I am coloring its shiny eye. Peacock eyes is very small. I am coloring its beak, grey color. I am coloring its crown, red color. Peacock has a crown in his head. The crown is very attractive. I am coloring its wing, light blue color. I am coloring his tail with yellow color, blue color, light blue color, green color. Now I am coloring his tail. I love its fur. It has a lot of fur. Peacock fly cloud very much. Peacock dance in rain. Oh, it's looking so nice.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Light green color. I am coloring its fur. I am coloring in leg and feet, grey color.
Subscribe us for more videos.